Can one chicken really make you money? Let's break it down in 60 seconds. First, the costs. A chick costs about KSH 100. Feed for 6 months, around KSH 1500. Vaccines and care, let's add KSH 200. So total cost, about KSH 1800 per chicken. Now the profit. A good laying hen can lay 250 eggs per year. If you sell one egg at KSH 15, that's KSH 3750 per year from one chicken. Profit equals 3750 minus 1800. That's about KSH 1950 profit per chicken per year. Imagine 10 chickens, that's almost KSH 19,500 profit. Follow the Frontier Farmer for more farm money tips.